Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. So today I'm showing you how to hard reset the LG Stylo 4. This is for the Boost Mobile variant. It's a little bit different compared to the unlocked and I believe the Metro PCS version, so that's why I want to make this video. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to do it in the settings, and then I'll do it with the button configuration. So first you want to go into your settings. From here under general, you want to make sure that you go on accounts, and you want to remove any accounts you have, aka your Gmail, your Google account. Remove all those, and also you want to remove any kind of lock, so any kind of pin, fingerprint, facial, just disable all that stuff, take it off. This is the steps I do, because if you hard reset this, so let's say you're going to sell it to a friend or something, it will lock out and say to put your original Gmail and password and all that stuff. You don't know that information, it will lock you out. So once you have that, the first way to do it is you scroll down under general. So there you go, general, then settings. Then it says restart and reset. And then from here you would want to click factory data reset, and that will wipe everything. So it says delete all data and restore default settings. That way you can do it and it will wipe the whole phone. Now I'm going to show you how to do it the physical way. So first you want to turn off your device. So pretend like you forgot your passcode, but you know your Gmail and password and all that stuff. Let's say you just gave it to your kid or something, and he kept putting the wrong password and it locked it up. Well, this is how you do it. Or same thing if you hard reset it, if you want to resell it or anything like that. So to do this, first you want to hold down the volume up and power button at the same time. Once the LG logo comes on, you let go of the power button real quick and then push it again without letting go of the volume up. So 1, 2, 3, let's see. There you go, let go, and then click it again, keep holding it down, and there you go, you let go. From here, the touch will not work. You will have to use the volume up or volume down. So it says delete all user data, including LG and carrier apps, and reset all settings. You scroll down to yes. To select, you want to click the power button, and then it says delete all user, and then click yes again, scroll down, click it, and there you go, guys. That is how you hard reset an LG Stylo 2 or LG Stylo 4 for Boost Mobile. That's how easy it is. Like I said, it's a little bit different compared to the Metro and the unlocked variant. So hopefully this helped you guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare sign off.